Hello, today we'll look at dot plots and examples of how to use them. So let's just get right into it. This is not a lesson, it's just basically using dot plots and examples. So it says the students in one social studies class were asked how many brothers and sisters or siblings they each have. The dot plot here shows the results. How many students have 6 siblings? So as you can see from our dot plot, I have people with 0 siblings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many have 6 siblings? 1. So only one student has 6 siblings. How many students have no siblings? Okay, so at 0, there are 3. So there's 3 students. I should type this out. One student. How many of the students have 3 or more? So here's 3 and more. So from here on, I need to just count basically all of the dots. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 students have 3 or more siblings. All right, it says the resting pulse rate were recorded for 16 boys in gym class before they exercised. The line plot here shows the results. So a line plot is another word for dot plot, right? So it says, what is the range of pulse rates? So the range, when we're talking about stats, deals with the highest value subtracted from the lowest value. So the highest value is 85, subtracted from the lowest value is 79, so that means that the range is 6. So the range of pulse rates is 6, so there's at least 6 different ones. Alright, it says how many boys had a pulse rate over 81? So over 81 means from here on, right? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 boys had a pulse rate over 81. It says how many boys had a pulse rate of 83? So 83 is here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 boys had a pulse rate of 83. And then it says how many boys had a pulse rate of at most 82. So the highest that they had was 82. So this is all the values from here to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boys had a pulse rate of at most 82. So the most amount they had was 82. Hope that's okay. All right, so I ran out of space on this one, so I hope this is okay. It says the height of 20 basketball players in inches are given below. So here are all the heights. It says make a dot plot using the number line below. So I've already have the number line written out here. And I'm going to just go ahead and put my value. So I have 68. I'm going to mark it out here so I know. I'm going to put an X instead of a dot so that it's more clear for me. I have 2 70s. I see that off the bat, so I'm going to go ahead and just put 2 70s, 171. I have 175. I have 180. I have 181. I have 182. I have 184. I have 175, or another 75, and another 75. I have 180, or another 80, another 75, a 77, another 75, an 80, an 83, an 8, another 80, another 71, and a 70. Alright, so my dot plot has been made. It says, what is the spread or range of the data? So again, the spread or range of the data is the highest value from the lowest value. So we can easily see that. So that's 84 minus 68. And that's 16. So that's a range of 16 inches, I believe it is. Yep, 16 inches. It says, what is the mode? And the mode is the value that appears the most, right? And from our dot plot, we can easily see that 75 is the mode. So 75 inches, most players are 75 inches for this basketball team. And it says, how many players are greater than 70 inches tall? So here's my 70 inches, and I want greater than that. So that's 71 on. So 71 on, I need to count how many players are 71 and higher. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 are 70 inches or greater. Are greater than 70 inches. All right, the next one. It says the ages of 22 students in a karate class are given below. Here they are. It says make a line plot. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and put those points on there. So I have 1 for 11, a 1 for 5, 1 for 9, 1 for 13, 1 for 8. I have 2 for 9, 1 for 11, 1 for 10, 1 for 8, 1 for 6, 1 for 7, 1 for 12, another 11, a 13, another 12, another 7, another 11. Oops, let's see, another 12, another 10, and another 8. Alright, it says what is the spread? Again, the spread is the largest, which is 13, from the lowest, which is 5. So there are 8 ages, right? Or 8 years. What is the mode? The number that appears the most. And looking at it, looks like it is 11. So 11 years old, right? So there's mostly 11-year-olds in this class. How many students are at least 10 years old? So 10 years old and older, right? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 students that are 10 years old or older, or at least 10 years old. And I hope that this example helps.